spacious and relaxing. Here is not a zone of a shopping mall, but a special zone opened round the clock at the University Library of the Chinese University of Hong Kong, the Learning Garden. Most libraries provide various tech-related services, including 3D printing. But Learning Garden has been doing more than that. Instead of merely carrying out 3D printing for students, the Learning Garden cooperates frequently with 3CUHK, the 3D printing interest group, formed by a group of CUHK engineering students. They organize a wide range of activities to popularize 3D printing skills and techniques on campus.
Recently, 3D printing technology has been emerging in various fields, in manufacturing, in healthcare, and even in construction industries. To introduce this interesting technology to our fellow students, we collaborate with the Learning Garden and carry out functions in this spacious environment. From workshops to competitions, to help others to understand that 3D printing is not hard at all, and we explore this new common interest together. The DIY 3D printer workshop is the most popular event. We teach students to build their own 3D printer at the discussion zone of the Learning Garden.